Good morning, everybody. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so I'm a little nervous and weirded out by taking a video of myself again. Used to be comfortable with it, but now that the truck is officially home, I'm going to be spending some more time working on it. Not doing a whole lot because unfortunately I'm like 8 months pregnant with the belly going on. Yay. And I'm kind of going into preterm labor a lot, so I have to take it easy, which is really frustrating for me because I want to clean house and nest, and I'm sure you guys want to hear all about it. Anyways, back to the truck. But it is officially home. It is parked out here. I can't turn my camera around because I'm gonna stop recording. But it's home. It's filthy. It's a mess, but it's home. So that's the important part. But what I'm gonna start doing, I figured I can probably do that in my condition, is start tackling this. That's going to be fun. Considering it's been sitting for 13 years or something, it's not as bad as I thought it would be, but it's still something that I thought, since I got to take it easy, I could take on. But I'm going to have to do some research on how to best tackle it. And my concern at this point, actually, my biggest concern, is because it's been sitting out, and we live in Washington. So we get a crap load of snow some years, is this. You can't really see in the video, but the ceiling is all bowed in. It's got really bad mildew, so I know I can replace this fairly easy. I'm just worried about how bad it is up there. I'm 6 foot tall and I still can't see the top of the truck. Yes, 6 foot tall. And then also, the bed is rusted as well, but there's no holes, which is a miracle. But my mom also made an effort to go out and oil it like every single year to keep it from rusting. So I think that actually probably saved my life regarding this truck. But so it'll be a slow, boring project, just taking care of rust as much as I can, start doing that. And I wish I could do more, but like I said, right now, we'll see. Once I have this baby, you can bet they're going to be sitting in the bed of the truck and they're going to be hanging out with me while I'm working on it. And also warmer weather. Hopefully it's June and it's like 50 degrees and it's cold, and I live in shorts. I'm sure you can tell. So I'm a little chilly. But that's just kind of my update. Kind of boring. Not much going on. But I figure I'm going to get back to this, and I'm excited to get started. And I like taking videos. It's kind of fun. My progress, even as stupid as I am and mechanically retarded I can be, it's still kind of fun. And we brought home last night, I had dreams all night long that it was stolen. Seriously, I was stressing out so bad. I thought my truck was going to get stolen. You can't really get it started without a jump, but you know, whatever. So anyways, I'm going to go back in and take care of my other kids, and we will talk to you later.